Hi guys, I am Tech Teacher and today I have bought a new gadget which is Yinwei YW-001 microphone. Now in this video I am gonna be unboxing it. So let's get started and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, here we got Yinwei YW-001 microphone, and it is compatible for Android. So now I am gonna be unboxing it. First I removed two of the papers. Now we got the microphone here. Okay guys, here we got the microphone, and there's also a clip. The cable is 2 meters long, and the sensitivity of the mic is 52 dB, and the frequency of the microphone is 30 Hz to 15 kHz, and I think this is the best microphone for the beginners. Okay guys, the voice you are hearing now, it's coming from the microphone, and I think the voice got changed and got a better quality. So I think this is the best microphone in low budget for the newbie YouTubers. So guys, if you found this video useful, please like it. If you have any question, problem or feedback, please write it in the comment box. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more technological and gaming videos like this. Like, comment and subscribe. Visit my website techteacher17.weebly.com for more. Also install our official Android apps, Tech Teacher videos and Tech Teacher videos full edition to stay connected with us. Try new gadgets, be modern. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.